This is a knot that everyone should know because it could be tied with just one hand. Not only is it extremely secure to pull on, but the tag end here, you just pull it and the whole thing comes loose, which makes it really useful in 4 common applications in life. The first being when you're holding up an item with your left hand and need to secure it with the right. You can't use both hands to tie a knot here, and the Falconers cinches down perfectly. The second is when you want to fasten down on an anchor and have a knot that's secure enough to hold the tension of cargo. And then when you're ready to offload it, you want something that comes apart easily and doesn't leave a tangle. It's just one pull to get undone. The third is for binding down on bundles. The Falconer's Knot has a great cinching feature, so after you tie it, you could kind of work it back and forth, and that cinches down and doesn't let go. If you have a really long rope, you could tie another Falconer's Knot with the other end, and this gives you a grab handle as well. And when you're done, it has that really convenient instant release. And the fourth and final use is my favorite. It's one of general convenience. Say you're walking your dog and carrying something in your other hand, well, you can single-handedly tie up that leash for a second, put on your mitts or make adjustments, then pulling the end makes it all come loose. So get your ropes out and follow along, because here's how to tie the Falconer's Knot. With one hand, start by looping your rope around your pole or object. Stick out your top 2 fingers, which we'll use to pinch the tag end of the rope. Make sure the rope is at the tip of your fingers and not all the way down like this. Having it at the tip will help a lot in the next step. I like to call this the thumbs up knot because we make a thumbs up sign and use it to scoop a loop of rope over the top of our standing line. Now, keeping your thumb up, we pivot our hand so your fingers are now pointing away from you. The goal is to get the line from your fingers through your thumb loop. I try to pinch that line against my thumb and then use that to pull through. Once you've got it through, you just pull on your main line and that knot will slide and butt up against your object or pole. And now you have your Falconer's Knot, which when you're done with it, you just pull the tag end and the whole thing comes loose. Now, if you like this style video, make sure to check out my top 10 knots for everyday life. There's the Falconers plus 9 other knots that you'll find really helpful. I'm your friend DJ with the Bear Essentials, and thanks for stopping by.